I've been exploring Planwise Retirement Planner in 2025, and after spending time with it, I can say it's a reliable tool for anyone serious about managing their financial future. It brings together budgeting, goal tracking, and investment planning in one platform, making it easier to create a full picture of where you are financially and where you want to be by retirement. What stands out most about Planwise is how it ties your daily financial habits to long-term goals. You can set specific objectives, like saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund, and the tool helps you build a step-by-step plan to reach them. It also gives you clear insight into how your current spending, savings, and investments are impacting your future plans. The platform tracks your progress in real time, which helps you stay accountable and adjust as needed. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly, making it a good fit even if you're not a financial expert. Everything is laid out clearly, and it doesn't overwhelm you with jargon or complex dashboards. That said, while Planwise does offer investment tracking, it's not a full-scale portfolio management tool. So if you're looking for advanced analysis or trading features, you might need something more specialized. But for general retirement planning, it hits the right balance between simplicity and depth. If you want a practical, well-organized platform to map out your financial future and stay on top of your retirement goals, Planwise is definitely worth considering. It gives you clarity, structure, and a sense of control over your long-term finances. If this review helped you out, give the video a like, share it with someone thinking about retirement planning, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.